most popular format of fixed income security in the market are bonds and debentures. The whole course is divided into 3 lessons. In lesson number 1, I'm going to talk about what bonds are. In lesson number 2, we are going to discuss about the bond market. And in lesson number 3, we are going to discuss how to evaluate bonds and how do you make effective investments in them. The institution would always say that I'm going to give you back your money. But how does this particular investor believe that? For that, what is used in the bond industry is credit rating. A credit rating is a kind of a mark that is given by an external agency which examines this particular institution. So as you can see over here, this talks of the treasury bill auction that took place on 6th of December 2019. It's a 91-day, 182-day and 364-day treasury bills. The government actually does a lot of activities under its public sector units. So let's say, for example, the National Highway Authority of India. It builds roads in India. The Rural Electrification Corporation, which actually provides electric power across the country. Hi, I'm Abhijit Roy. Come learn how the bond market works.